guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Michael Myers unboxing. I went on Amazon and I finally purchased a Michael Myers figure. Because the Michael Myers figure, I got the Halloween 2 figure, and the ad on Amazon actually says it's a NECA 1981 Halloween 2 Michael Myers 7-inch action figure. So I absolutely love the Halloween old classic ones. I don't really care for like the new Halloween movies. I'm more of a old school girly, so I love the classics. So this is what the front of it looks like. It has like the little pumpkin and it has Halloween 2. And then on the back it has the picture of Michael. Side of the figure, there's like this cool picture of him. Come with some like accessories like his weapons and this pumpkin, which I'm really excited because I think it opens. Then it comes with 2 Michael Myers masks. I don't remember Michael having blonde hair. Do you guys remember him having blonde hair? Because I don't. Oh, and I also forgot to mention, he actually has different hands too. Now let's open it and check it out. Into him. I'm so excited. And then I'll also show him displayed for you guys, like how I'm going to display him. Nice him out of his packaging too. So cool. He's free. Can I take his clothes off? No, I can't take his clothes off. Looks like he has some like stab wounds on the back of him, or gunshots or something like that. Very detailed. There he holds like all his weapons, which is really cool. His masks, so here's the first one. Has blood dripping down his eyes. And then here's his other masks. He has like blonde hair. Or is that like sawdust and stuff? I don't know. These are his 2 masks, and then he has the one he's wearing, of course. His hands. These are his weapons. It's cool that there's even a needle. Then here's the pumpkin. I'm pretty sure it does open, so I'll be excited to see what's inside of it. Hopefully I can put his weapons in here. See what's in the side of this pumpkin, because it does open. Opens like this. There's a skeleton inside of it. That's really cool. Oh, it screws off. So there is nothing underneath. There's like this little hole that is on it, and it just like screws on. Just like screw it on. Him with his other mask on. This one's really cool too. You guys can actually see his eyes, which is really cool. Blood all on the side of it. Mask is cool too. See? His eyes are blue. What pretty eyes you have. This is the mask that he came with. Stand up, which is really cool. I like that, so I won't have to like slam him on my wall or anything. 4 weapons. I'm gonna put them in his hand and then show you guys how like he holds them and what he looks like with his weapons in his hand. First up is a hammer. I wonder if he can hold 2 weapons. No, he can't. Unless I changed his hand. I changed his hand to a fist so I can put the other weapon in his hand. So what do I want to put in his hand? I'll put his butcher knife. So here is the butcher knife. He looks badass with his weapons in his hand. Oh, he just fell. He ate shit. Here is Michael with his weapons. He looks badass. Like, do you want to mess with me? Put on the 2 other weapons and see what he looks like with them. And then I can choose which weapons I want in his hands. So there's a needle, which is cool. It has this little, I don't know, I forgot what this is called. 2 other weapons. His syringe and his little blade. I think the hammer and the knife look a lot better in my opinion, so I might choose those because I think it looks a lot better. He's like ready for a fight. His hammer and his knife I got in his hand, and I changed his mask so he looks badass. It would have been really cool if they actually put his face under the mask, you know what I mean? And you took it off and you see a face. I think that would have been really cool. That is the Michael Myers figure that I picked up, which I'm really excited. I don't regret it at all. I'm so ready to display him, so let's go and display him in my room. Here is Michael displayed in my room. He's on his shelf with the rest of the Michael stuff. I put the box right there because I think that it would look really good there. Absolutely love it. I got his masks right there, his pumpkin, his extra hands that came with him. He has his hammer and his butcher knife. He has the mask that I chose for him. I love this mask. that is him. Michael's home.